Since the invention of color TV, there have been two newsworthy improvements. Automatic fine-tuning in 1965, brighter picture tubes in 1969. And now, from General Electric Research, comes the one-touch color system. It synchronizes critical color controls, so you get a more perfect color picture automatically. Look, this 25-inch picture has been badly mistuned. But push this button once, and the GE one-touch color system takes over. Now the picture will stay this perfect day in, day out. Flesh tones won't vary, regardless of most camera or channel changes. Let me demonstrate that again. I'll scramble the picture, then push the GE one-touch button. There, a more perfect color picture automatically. The one-touch color system. See it demonstrated at your General Electric dealer.
No matter how strong a man is, a cold cough can still put him out of control. That's why they created Vicks Formula 44 Extra Strength Cough Mixture. It relieves your cough with a cough suppressant as effective as codeine, but not narcotic. Vicks Formula 44. It gives you the strength you need to help keep your cough under control.
Yardley was made for the morning.
But the night was made for Yardley.
Yardley was made for the morning.
But the night was made for Yardley.
Yardley was made for the morning.
But the night was made for Yardley.
Yardley of London, aftershaves and colognes. You'll like yourself in the morning.
I still like it at night.
John will hear you, but the house smells funny. Yeah, halitosis.
You need Wizard Air Freshener. Wizard cures halitosis fast.
Everything's just lovely, Joan, and no more halitosis.
Wizard cures halitosis fast. And now bring the fresh, natural fragrance of Lily of the Valley indoors with new Lily of the Valley Air Freshener from Wizard.
How does a nice girl like you clean an oven this dirty? With Easy Off, the oven cleaner with 33% more power cleaner than another spray. Here's proof. We'll spray this side with Easy Off, then this side with another spray. Minutes later, wipe. See, the other spray left grease, but Easy Off got it all off. Warm oven or cold, Easy Off gets oven sparkling clean. Easy Off with 33% more power cleaner in aerosol can and paste jar.
And now, a word about new Kent Menthol. Wow. New Kent Menthol 100s. Crisp, freezing flavor, exclusive micronite filter, good rich taste. They're all together now.
All the refreshment of menthol, all the good things about kids.
Noses. What can cough drops do for them? Well, we made a different kind of cough drop. New Victors. It's the only cough drop with thousands of pockets of cooling menthol eucalyptus vapors. So Victors not only soothes your scratchy throat, but helps your stuffy nose feel cooler and clearer. Victors, the cough drop for your throat that goes to your nose. Any nose.
Today's Kent 100s have a great new taste. A mild taste no other 100 can equal. Because the exclusive micronite filter smooths the smoke, lets all the taste come through.
Kent 100, what a good time for a kid.
Popular king size, too.
Tim McIntyre and David Shiner guest star on The Young Lawyers tonight at 7:30, 6:30 Central Time. Then at 9, 8 Central Time, watch All-Pro running back Leroy Kelly lead the Cleveland Browns against the Houston Oilers on an NFL Monday Night Football game here on ABC.